Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best-sounding exhausts for the F150 Ecoboost that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Walker 53901 exhaust pipe. This budget-friendly option is designed specifically for the 2009 and 2010 Ford F150 models, making it a great pick for those looking for a direct fit replacement. It features durable aluminized steel construction, which helps inhibit corrosion while promoting better performance over time. The direct fit design ensures easy installation with precision bends and OE-style routings. It's a no-hassle solution for anyone looking to replace their exhaust pipe quickly and effectively. When it comes to design and build quality, the Walker 53901 stands out as a value-based option. At just 4.81 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring it won't weigh your vehicle down. While it doesn't offer dramatic sound improvements, it does provide a slight boost in overall exhaust tone and performance. This product is ideal for daily drivers or anyone looking to maintain their vehicle without breaking the bank. On the downside, this exhaust pipe doesn't offer the aggressive sound profile that performance enthusiasts may be looking for. However, it's a fantastic choice for those who want a reliable, cost-effective replacement that's easy to install. If you're on a tight budget or just need a quick fix, the Walker 53901 is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4, we have the BD Diesel Exhaust Manifold Set. This product is specifically engineered for the 2011 to 2016 Ford F150 3.5-liter Ecoboost models. Known for its precision and quality, BD Diesel has designed this manifold to handle heavy loads, high speeds, and even quarter-mile sprints. It's a versatile option for those who demand more from their trucks, whether it's for towing, daily driving, or high-performance applications. The build quality of the BD Diesel exhaust manifold is outstanding. Weighing 19.36 pounds, it's a heavy-duty option that's built to last. The machined exterior provides a sleek and durable finish, while the meticulous engineering ensures a perfect fit and optimal exhaust flow. Users report noticeable performance improvements, including better throttle response and reduced turbo lag, which are key benefits for those who push their trucks to the limit. On the downside, the BD Diesel manifold is more of a performance upgrade than a sound enhancement. It doesn't dramatically change the exhaust note, but it's perfect for those who value reliability and performance over sound. If you're looking for a high-quality manifold that delivers consistent results, this one's for you. At number 3, we have the Flowmaster 717864 FlowFX Catback Exhaust Kit, known for its deep, powerful tone. This exhaust kit is compatible with a range of Ford F-150 models from 2009 to 2014, including the 3.5-liter Ecoboost. It features large 4.5-inch black ceramic-coated stainless steel tips that give your truck a bold, aggressive look. The FlowFX straight-through performance muffler ensures optimal exhaust flow, which translates to improved horsepower and torque. The design and build quality are exceptional. Made from 409 stainless steel tubing, this kit is built to resist corrosion and last for years. It uses factory hanger locations, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. The sound profile is where this product shines. It produces an aggressive growl that's both noticeable and refined, striking a perfect balance between performance and comfort. However, the Flowmaster 717864 comes at a premium price point, and its heavier weight, 43.5 pounds, might be a consideration for some. It's ideal for those who want to make a bold statement, both in terms of sound and aesthetics. If you're looking for a complete catback system that delivers on both performance and style, this is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the mbrp 3-inch catback exhaust system. Designed for the 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150 models with 2.7 liters, 3.5 liters Ecoboost, and 5.0-liter engines, This system is the ultimate choice for performance and sound. Its aluminized steel construction ensures rugged durability, while the dual pre-axle exit design gives your truck a distinctive, aggressive look. The mbrp exhaust system delivers significant performance gains, including increased horsepower and torque. The aggressive sound profile is a standout feature. It produces a deep, throaty roar that commands attention without becoming overly intrusive during daily driving. The precision engineering ensures a perfect fit and easy installation, minimizing the need for modifications. The only drawback is its higher price point and heavier weight, 125.4 pounds. But for the performance and sound it delivers, it's well worth the investment. If you want the absolute best in sound, performance, and build quality, the mbrp Catback Exhaust System is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.